Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here. Today I'm going to show you how to tighten up your parking brake in your Audi Q7 first generation, and I'm just going to show you why you put the foot on the foot brake and the car in park, and when we release that, see that just nudge then? That is why we need to do it. The car should never roll when the parking brake is applied, and you should never really rely on the P gear in your automatic transmission, as this can wear it down, and you'll obviously have some costly repairs. So let's get to it. First thing we're going to do is press car, then set up, and then put jack mode on, and this just helps with the air suspension. Jack the car up, remove the wheel nuts, take the wheel off. I used the issued jack for this because my trolley jack didn't work. That's the position the wheel needs to be in. And obviously mine's already been removed, but that's where it needs to be, okay? So remove that, and I'll show you close. Inside there, it's really dark, you can't really see. There's a cog. You just need to tighten that. Push the cog towards the rear of the vehicle, and you might have to test this a couple of times. Give it a little turn. You can see it's a lot tighter, but it still needs a little bit more. So just get a screwdriver and hit these fins and just give it a bit of a push. It should be nice and stiff, like that. Maybe a couple more little turns. So as you can see before, I can move it with my hand, and now I really can't. So that's where you want it. You do want it to obviously be able to move off a little bit, but this is all right at the moment. All we're going to do now is fit the wheel back on and the wheel nuts and torque them up to 160 newton meters of torque. Now all we need to do is repeat the process on the other side. Now if you do have an Audi Q7, please make sure you like and subscribe. Over the next few days I'm going to be posting a lot of content on this car, lots of how-to videos. Anyway, if you've got any questions, put it in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one.